Hey, my name is Bryce Tubbs. I believe that you can reach your dreams. Okay? So, I was just looking at some biographies over time, and it looks like that a lot of the people who have something in common with reaching their dreams were the people who, believed in themselves first. There's actually a great story, it's called, I think it's the little engine that could, right? I think I can. I think I can. I think I can. And at first the train couldn't, and everything looked very hopeless. But over time, he kept saying he thought he could, and he thought he could. And there's just a saying in the Bible that goes, as a man thinketh, so is he. And over time, as long as you think that you can actually reach your goals, then it allows you to start making progress and start moving forward to that. That's why I believe that you are the person who can actually reach your dreams. If you want to start, moving forward towards reaching that dream, I recommend that you go join my group called Uncapped Growth Strategies. There's going to be a link in the description below. Hopefully you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed creating it. Feel free to share this video with someone who can benefit from the information. Have a great day. Take it easy. Talk to you soon, and I believe in you.